All right, guys, we're in the shop. Had a comment, a request to go over check valves. So I'm just gonna give you a brief overview here. Check valves in front of me, I got 5 different check valves laid out. You're gonna wanna pick a check valve based on your application, whether we're looking at cracking pressure, which means the pressure required for the check valve to open up. We also wanna look at pressure against the check valve if the check valve is rated to hold the pressure back that we're going to be applying to it. And installation, the biggest thing with a check valve when installing it is obviously having the right size and the right check valve picked out, but it's ensuring that we are installing the check valve with the flow arrow pointed in the direction of the flow itself. Right? A check valve stops flow. That is literally all this thing does. So a check valve will let fluid pass through it one way, but will not allow it to pass through the other. So when you're installing this check valve, remember, it is critical that you install it, that the flow arrow is in line or going the direction of the flow of the fluid that you're trying to control. If you have any questions about check valves, what check valve you need, or if you're having any issues with any type of fluid flow, give us a call here at Kleen-Rite and we'll get you fixed up.